Good morning, very good morning. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum, right? How are you? All? Good? Okay. I am super good. Very happy to see you all again, to meet you again, because I take energy from you. When you smile, when you're happy, I get so much of energy and dancing with you and learning something new with you that makes me so happy and that gives me so much of energy, right? So that's why I love you all. You're so very cute, right? Super good. Okay, so this is our numeracy class, and we are learning about matching things these days. There are lots of things which you can match and relate, right? And there are a couple of things which are very different, right? So what we have to do is we should observe things, right? Whatever is all around us, whenever you look into something new, right? Whenever you look something different, right? Okay, so we are learning about matching things, and we will discuss something different today, right? And that is shadows. Do you know what shadows? What are shadows? Have you ever observed them? Have you ever observed your shadow? Right? Did you? And things make shadows, right? When we were very small, it was a time when there was load shedding and we used to put candles. And then at that time at night, we used to make shadows from our hands to uh, play games, that's guessing games. Okay, let's guess the animal, which animal we have made and all that. Well, that was fun, right? So but you kids don't do that because you have generators and UPS. So we very often now use candles. We hardly use candles, right? So that's okay. But I am going to tell you about shadows today, right? Because we will be matching shadows. And then now today, you are going to observe your shadow as well. And that will be I'll tell you later, right? Okay, there are shadows whenever we are blocking the light that makes a shadow, right? And there are different shadows of different things. It is because of the shape and size and all, right? And let's have a very, very, very interesting activity today to match the shadows, right? Okay, are you ready? Okay, so I will show you a couple of pictures here, right? Now look at this, a small little car. What is the color of this car? Orange, yes. Now there is another vehicle, right? I'll show you. Yeah, what is it? It's a taxi. Yeah, that's a taxi. And what is the color of a taxi? It's a yellow taxi. Okay. Then what we have? Wow, we have a boat. Yay, wonderful. Don't go anywhere, please. Okay, come back. Oh, good. Thank you. It's a multicolor boat. Wow. And then what we have a truck. Yay, cute little blue truck, right? So we have colorful vehicles, right? We have an orange car, we have a multicolor boat, we have a yellow taxi, and then we have a blue, yeah, blue truck. See, so many colors. But what is the color of a shadow? Do you know that? What is the color of a shadow? Yeah, shadows are mostly black, right? Shadows are black, right? So what I will do is I will put them here and then we will see the shadows, right? I will show you the shadows and then we will match the shadows with the pictures. Okay, let's just put them over there. Get settled. Very good. Thank you, Mr. Truck. Thank you. See, like we have a blue truck, a yellow taxi, a multicolor boat, and an orange car, right? That's great. Now I will show you the shadows of all these pictures, and then we will be able to match them, right? Okay, so as I told you, the shadows are black, right? The shadows are black. Now look at the pictures and look at the shadows. Do they match? Now we will just find out whether they match or not, right? Okay, now let's take the car. Yeah, an orange car we have, and we have to find the shadow of an orange car, right? Okay, we will match it and find it, right? Okay, now there are many shadows. No, this is no, this, no, the both doesn't match. Okay, so let's have a, okay, yay, this goes with it, right? Yay, wow. This shadow matches the car. The orange car matches his black shadow. Wow, that is lovely. See? Wow, fantastic. That is great. Okay. Now we will take another picture and let's see which does this match. Okay. The first one does not match with it. Okay, now the second one maybe. No, 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 no. Okay, I will look at this then. No, not at all. Okay, what about this? Yay, great. This matches the shadow. Wow, that is so wonderful. Yay, we made it. Great. Okay, now let's look at the next one. This is a yellow taxi. Okay, now starting from here now. Does this match? No. Does this match? No. That's a car, even but that does not match. Maybe this one? No, this even doesn't match. Yeah, yay! That is great. This is the shadow of a taxi. Wow. We matched the taxi with the shadow. Yeah, 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 yeah. Wow. That is super great. Wow. Isn't that wonderful? Yeah. Okay, now here is the last one. Okay, and that is a truck. Okay, now let's see. This goes with which shadow? This one? Doesn't fit in it, right? This is a bigger one. Maybe this fit in that. No. This one, okay, 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 okay. I'll try to fit it in this. Yay! This fits in this shadow. Wonderful. Yay. Wow. Mr. Truck, this is your shadow. And you match your shadow. We all match our shadows, right? Somebody is tall. We can even make taller shadows. Wow, that is lovely. That is great. Okay, this was amazing. So we are going to put them back. And now I will show you something else, right? We will put them back and I will show you a video and then we will do another activity, right? Now let's watch the video.
Let's match these animals. A snake.
A snake.
Let's match the snake with the snake. Ooh, that's a fish. That's a crab.
Wow.
And that's a turtle.
Yeah, that's a turtle.
Let's match them. Turtle, that's the turtle. Turtle with turtle.
Okay.
Crab with the crab.
Okay.
Snake
with the snake. Okay.
And fish with the fish.
Wow, great. Thank you. Thank you. See, they showed us the things which match together with the shadow. Yeah, that is great. So I have a couple of more shadows for you, right? Okay, now we will have to find out which shadow is it of which animal, right? So you have to find that out. It will be very, very, very interesting, right? Okay, so can you see all of these four? Okay, now I will show you one by one the animal of them, right? And you will see that which shadow goes with which picture, right? Okay, shall we start? This will be very interesting. Okay, so we are going to start with the, yes, the key. You find out, right? Okay, let's see. Yay! A golden brown mane, right? Okay, now let's see. Does this fit in? Does this? No, this is a long neck. Oh my God. Yes, so tail may be the same, but not like this. Okay, now let's see. Hold on. Okay, so we're going to match it. Yeah. Oh, yay. That is the shadow of a lion. Does this match? Yeah, they both match together, right? Okay, yes. Thank you, Mr. Lion. This is your shadow. You stick to your shadow, right? Okay, then what do we have? We have this. This is a little fat, right? Plays with water. So let's see, maybe this can go. No, doesn't go with this. Doesn't even go with this because that's, no. This one has got long neck. What about this? Let's see. Looks like a hippo. Yay! That's a hippo's shadow. Wow, this matches him. That is great. See, he's in the puddle, he's playing, right? And this is Hippo's shadow. Okay, Mr. Hippo, you stay here for a while. Okay. Oh, wow. A cute little giraffe with a long neck. Do you know where does it go? Here? No? Here? No? Yeah, this goes here. Wow. This is giraffe's shadow. Yeah, see, a long neck and the tail, right? Good. But you see, shadows don't have colors, right? Yeah, shadows don't have colors. Maybe we can stick him to this, maybe. Yeah. And then we have got the last one, a baby elephant playing with the water. Now let's see, does this match with it? Hold on. Yay, this matches with the shadow. That's an elephant shadow. Wow, that is super great. See, that matches with it. Wow. So are you all happy? You found your shadow? Mr. Elephant, Mr. Lion, Mr. Giraffe, right? And a hippo. You're happy? Yeah, they're happy. They found their shadows. Okay, that is great, right? So this was the shadow game, right? Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Now you're all going to open your Maths Wise Book 1, right? Your Maths Wise Book 1. Yeah, and you will open up page number 5. 5. Page number 5, right? Everybody, yes, good. What can you see? Yeah, you see, what do you see? You see a giraffe, right? And you see a lion, right? You see a giraffe and you see a lion, then you see an elephant, right? That's what you see. And then you see a rhino, but I have a hippo. My rhino went away. He had to go somewhere. He had to go to his birthday party, friend's birthday party. So I asked Hippo to come over. So thank you, Mr. Hippo, you joined us. Thank you very much. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Elephant. Thank you, Mr. Lion. And okay, you sweet little giraffe, right? So we have all these here, and that is easy now for you to match the animals with their shadows, right? Okay, that is good. Super great. So see, they have joined the giraffe with the shadow of giraffe. He's got long neck. Okay, now look at the lion, right? The tail is going upwards. It has got a mane, right? Standing. Now which, and the color as well. You can even match the color. Yes. With which does it go? This goes with, yay, this. And the other one, now you can do it yourself, right? It's not difficult. Now you should be doing it all by yourself, right? I'm giving you a couple of minutes for you to complete this. Yeah, that's very easy. That's good. Okay, that's wonderful. Yes, quickly do it. Quickly do it. Yeah, that's great. Super great. Okay, now show me. Have you all done? Yay, done. Okay, that's great. See, it was very fun and it was easy, right? So as I told you, this was our numeracy class and we learned about shadows. Now you have to observe your shadow. You can even make a long shadow. You can even make it shorter, right? You can even make it fat. And you can even use a candle to make shadows. But yes, remember, don't do it all alone. Don't do it yourself, right? Ask an elder or somebody in your home to guide you, right? To sit with you. So because the candle has fire and you should not go near to that, right? Ask your mommy or papa to make shadows for you so you can enjoy that, right? Okay, so I'll say bye-bye from the numeracy class and I'll see you in the next class. Till then, bye-bye, stay safe, be happy, and see you.